Payoneer is a quick and easy way to get paid by international global clients. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today is how to transfer money from Payoneer account to your local bank account. Or simply, we are going to wire money from Payoneer account to your bank account. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. The very first thing we'll do, we'll log in into Payoneer account. Then we will see this is a balance. We can see it telling me balance is $175.36. It's already in the available. We confirm in the upcoming sector. This is where cash that you have been sent to your Payoneer account and maybe spending, but we don't need that. So we can see a notification here. Yeah. We need to confirm if it tells me that two-step verification has been updated. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment.